In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Dhgate. We'll walk through what to do from the moment you open your order page to the point your money comes back, with clear tips so you don't miss any deadlines. Start by going to My Orders and opening the specific order you're concerned about. Look for the buyer protection remaining days. This countdown matters. If it's close to expiring, open a dispute immediately so your case is protected. Waiting too long can limit your options even if your complaint is valid. Next, decide the type of refund that fits your situation. Refund only is the most common and is best when the item arrived damaged, not as described, the wrong product was sent, or the package never arrived at all. Return and refund should be chosen only when the seller has asked you to return the item and DHgate has approved the return. If those two conditions aren't met, stick with refund only to avoid unnecessary delays or costs. Now open the dispute, go back to My Orders, select your order, and click Open Dispute. Choose either refund only or return and refund, then select the reason that matches what happened. Upload clear photos and videos, show the problem plainly, the whole product, close-ups of defects, packaging, labels, and any tracking screenshots if delivery is the issue. The more specific and readable your evidence, the faster the review goes. Submit the dispute to officially start the refund request. Keep all communication inside DHgate. The seller may offer a partial refund, a replacement, or a full refund. Negotiate politely and clearly in the DHgate chat so everything is documented. Do not close the dispute until the money actually arrives in your account or wallet. If you and the seller can't agree, ask DHgate to step in. Use Request DHgate Mediation. DHgate will review your evidence, shipment tracking, and the message history, then make a final decision. This typically takes 3 to 7 business days depending on the complexity of the case. Once approved, monitor the refund status. You'll see refund processing, and the money will return to your original payment method or your DHgate wallet. Card refunds usually take 5 to 15 business days to show up, while wallet refunds tend to appear faster. Keep an eye on notifications and double check with your bank if card timelines run long. Follow these steps carefully. Keep your evidence organized, and your refund process on DHgate should move smoothly.